And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the type tools in Adobe Illustrator. So we've got 7 in total. The basic one is the type tool. Just left click and you can type in whatever text you want. When you resize that, always hold Shift and Alt. I use the selection tool for that. And in the character menu you can adjust the size. For example, if you can't find that, go to Window and then find it under Type. There it is, Character, and it will pop up. So the next tool is the vertical type tool. It's basically the same, but it types vertically and not horizontally. That's the big difference between the type and this vertical type tool, but everything else stays the same. Then we've got type on a path tools. The regular one, just select it, hover over a path and then left click. And you can see it replaces the path, or it replaces the line that was on the path with the text. So if you want to have a line on the path, you just have to copy that, pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl F, for example. So now we've got 2 of these lines, and when I use the vertical type on a path tool and click on it, the line stays. So I've only replaced 1 line with it. And once again, this is vertically, the other one was horizontally. And we've got the line beneath. So let's get rid of that, and I'll show you the next tools. And these are the area type tools. Regular one, just hover over an area, so a closed path, in this case the star, and you can see it replaces this area with a text. Same goes for the vertical area type tool, and you can replace any shape with that. Final one is the touch type tool, and it can be used to select individual letters within type. For example, here the S, I can just drag it downwards, I can drag it upwards, and if you want to rotate it, there's, when you've got the touch type tool selected and you click on the S, there's this circle on top, and you can use it to rotate it. You can also size that letter up individually. Just go to one of the white buttons of the square around the letter, and there you go. You can also delete it that way, but when you want to adjust typos and such, you should definitely use the regular type tool. And these are the type tools in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.